How to customize your Shake Shack burger online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to make your Shake Shack burger exactly how you like it, well in today's video I'll show you how to customize your burger online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can then just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here you can simply log in with a credential and here once you logged in, on the main dashboard, you can simply click the menu and then select burgers. And now here you can simply pick the burger you want to customize like Shake Burger or Smoke Shack, and here comes the fun part. Now here you can add or remove toppings like lettuce, tomato or pickles. So choose your cheese type, select extra sauce or sides, and if you want you can even add bacon, mushrooms and other extra things. So here play around until your burger looks perfect. And here once your burger is customized, then you can just click on add to cart and you can continue shopping or go straight to checkout to place your order. And if you love this custom creation, then you can just save it as your favorite in your account and that way you can reorder it anytime with just one click. And that's it. Customizing your Shake Shack burger online is simple and fun. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.